Alright, now let's have a look at the intersection of sets. Now we know that intersection means that we have to take out the common elements from the sets. We have to identify the common elements between the sets. Okay. Now I'm also going to discuss the 4 conditions that we discussed in the union of sets. Now the first case that we're going to discuss is when the A is a subset of B. If you remember what I told you about the subset is that when A is a subset of B, it means that all the elements of set A are present in set B. Not a single element is left out. Okay, so in that case, when A is a subset of B, we are going to draw the bigger circle B first and then draw the smaller circle, which is a set A, inside the set B, which shows that the A is a subset of B. Right now, here we are asked to do the A intersection B operation, right? So for intersection, we're only going to shade the area of set A because it shows the common elements between these two sets. Okay, now since A is a subset of B, all the elements of set A are present in B. So the common elements in between these two are the entire elements of set A, right? So this is how we're going to represent the set when A is a subset of B through a Venn diagram. Let's move to the second case, which is when B is a subset of A, right? Now, when B is a subset of A, it is entirely an opposite case of when A is a subset of B. Now here, the bigger set is set A and B is its subset, right? So all the elements of set B are present in set A. Okay, so the common elements that are going to be shaded are those of the set B, right? So when we are going to represent the A intersection B through the Venn diagrams, we're only going to shade the area of the set B, which shows the common elements between the two sets, right? Now, let's move towards the third condition, which is where A and B are overlapping sets. Okay. Now, what are overlapping sets? Overlapping sets are those which have a few of the elements common in between them. Now, here you can see that A and B are overlapping each other. The circles are overlapping each other, and I have shaded only the center portion. The overlapping portion is only shaded, which shows the intersection operation, right? A intersection B, we are going to identify only the common elements. So the common elements between the set A and B is this shaded portion, right? So this is how we're going to represent the intersection in the case where A and B are overlapping. Okay. Now let's talk about the fourth case where A and B are disjoint sets. Okay. Now, since we know that when there are two disjoint sets, there is no common element between them, and when you're going to take an intersection, it's going to be an empty set. Okay, nothing common between them. Disjoint sets are those which have no common element between them, right? So in this case, as you can see in the figure, we have drawn set A and B, but we haven't shaded any of the area. Why would we shade the area? Since we have no common element in between them. So we are not going to shade anything in case the sets A and B are disjoint sets. So this is how we represent the intersection of sets through Venn diagrams, right? So this was today's lecture. Let's meet in my another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.